Hare Krishna Mataji and Prabhuji's pranams to everyone. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Dandvat pranams to everyone here. Hare
Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandvat pranam.
Dandvat pranams Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranams Mataji.
Pranams Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji and Prabhuji's. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranams.
Pranams Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranams Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranams Mataji.
Hey Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Pranams
Pranams.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandvat pranams.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranams Mataji.
Dandavat pranam. Hey Krishna. Okay. Let's start. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskrityam Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayudhiraye. नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तमा श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी. Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 5th canto, 18th chapter, verse number 39, right?
Yes,
Yes Mataji.
All right. Venkat Narasimha Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रणवारणं मृधे यो मां रसया जगदादिशोकरः कृत्याग्रदंष्ट्रे निरगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन् वेभ प्रणतास्मितं विभुमिति. हरे कृष्ण माता जी.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. Anjali Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. प्रमथ्य दैतं प्रतिवारणं हृदे यो मा रसाया जगत् आदिसुकरः कृत्वा अग्रद्रष्टे निरगात उदन्वतः क्रीडन् इव इभः प्रणतास्मि तं विभुम् इति. हरे कृष्ण माताजी.
Hare Krishna. Madhumay Krishna Kanta Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृधे यो मां रसाय जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वाङ्गदंष्ट्रे निरगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन्निवेमः प्रणतास्मि तं विभुम् इति. थैंक यू माताजी. हरे
Hare
कृष्ण.
Krishna. Suramya Madhavi Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Dandvat pranam. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृधे यो मां रसाया जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वाङ्ग्रदृष्टे निरगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन् निवेभ प्रणतास्मि तं विभुमिति. हरे कृष्ण.
Thank you, Hare Krishna. Vijay Kumari Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Pranam Mataji. प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृते यो मां रसाय जगदादिसुकरः कृत्वाग्रदंष्टे निरगत् उदन्वत क्रीडन्नैवेभः प्रणदास्मि तं विभुम् इति. थैंक यू माताजी.
Hare Krishna. Shubha Rao Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी. धन्यवाद प्रणाम. प्रमथ्य दैत्य ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं रुधे यो मां रसाया जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वाग्रदंष्ट्रे निरगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन्निवेभः प्रणतास्मि तं विभुमिति. हरे कृष्ण माता.
Krishna. Prakash Rao Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. प्रमध्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृधे यो मां रसाय जगदादि सुकरः कृत्वाग्रदं दंष्ट्रे निरगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन्निववेभ प्रणतास्मितं विभुमिति। हरे कृष्ण।
थैंक यू हरे कृष्ण। चित्रमोहिनी माता जी हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं रुधे यो मां रसाय जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वाग्रदंष्ट्रे निरगादौद्वनथ क्रीडन्निवेभ प्रणतास्मि तं विभुमिति। हरे कृष्ण माता जी। थैंक यू माता जी।
कृष्ण। उषा दयावती माता जी हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। प्रणाम माता जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय प्रमथ्य दैत्यं परिवत्वरनमृते यो मां हर्षाय जगदादिशुक्रः कृत्वाग्रदंश निरगात् उदन्वतः कृतं विभावाः प्रणतास्मि तं विभुम् इति। थैंक यू माता जी। हरे कृष्ण।
मधुमती विलासनी माता जी हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम माता जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं हृदे यो मां रसाया जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वाग्रदंष्ट्रे निरिगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन्निवेभः प्रणतास्मि तं विभूमिति। थैंक यू माता जी। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण। रेवती रत्नांगी माता जी हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। प्रणाम माता जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय प्रमद्दय दैत्यं प्रतिवारणामृते यो मां रसाय जगत् आदिसूकरः कृत्वाग्रदं शीश्र निरगतुदन्वदः क्रीडन्नैवेव प्रणदास्मि तं विभुम् इति। हरे कृष्ण माता जी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हरे कृष्णा। श्रीनिवास दयामय प्रभु जी हरे कृष्णा।
हरे हरे कृष्ण माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृदे यो मां रसाय जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वाग्रदंष्ट्रे निरगादुदन्वतः क्रीडन्निवेब प्रणतास्मि तं विभुमिति। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्णा। प्रेमानंदनी माधवी माता जी हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। प्रणाम माता जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृधे यमां रसय जगदादिसूकरः कृत्वा ग्रन्थस्ते निरगादन्वतः किरण 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 कृष्णति क्रीडान्निवेभ प्रणतास्मि तं विभुम् इति। हरे कृष्ण माता जी। थैंक यू माता जी।
थैंक यू कृष्णा। प्रमथ्य दैत्यं प्रतिवारणं मृधे यो मां रसाया जगदादिशूकरः कृत्वाग्रदंष्ट्रे निरगादधन्वतः क्रीडान् इवेभा प्रणतास्मि तं विभुम् इति। Pramatya, after killing Daityam, the demon, Prativaranam, most formidable opponent, Mridhe, in the fight, Yaha, he who, Mam, me, the earth, Rasayaha, fallen to the bottom of the universe, Jagat, in this material world, Adi Shukaraha, the original form of a boar, Krishna, keeping it, Kritva, keeping it, Agradamstre, on the end of the tusk, Niragat, came out of water, Udanvataha, from the Garbhodaka Vishnu, or ocean, sorry. Kridan, playing Iva like Ibha, elephant, Pranata Asmi, I bow down, thumb to him, Vibhum, the Supreme Lord, iti das. Translation by His Divine Grace Prabhupada ki jai. My Lord, as the original boar within this universe, you fought and killed the great demon Hiranyaksha. Then you lifted me, the earth, from the Garbhodaka ocean on the end of your tusk, exactly as a sporting elephant plucks a lotus flower from the water. I bow down before you. Thus end the Bhaktivedanta purport of 5th canto, 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled The Prayers Offered to the Lord by the Residents of Jambudvip. It's just, we'll just read the introduction of the description of the island of Jambudvip from chapter 19. Okay, and then we go back to the verse. Chapter 19 is entitled as a description of the island of Jambudvip. This chapter describes the glories of Bharatvarsh, and it also describes how Lord Ramachandra is being worshipped in the tract of land known as Kimpurusha Varsha. The inhabitants of Kimpurusha Varsha are fortunate because they worship Lord Ramachandra with his faithful servant Hanuman. Lord Ramchandra exemplifies an incarnation of Godhead who descends for the mission of Paritranaya Sadhunam Vinashaya cha Dushkrita, protecting the devotees and destroying the miscreants. Lord Ramachandra exhibits the actual purpose of an incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and the devotees take the opportunity to offer loving transcendental service to him. One should surrender fully to the Lord, forgetting one's so-called material happiness, opulence, and education, which are not at all useful for pleasing the Lord. The Lord is pleased only by the process of surrender unto him. When Devrishi Narad descended to instruct Saravani Manu, he described the opulence of Bharatvarsh, India. Saravani Manu and the inhabitants of Bharatvarsh engage in devotional service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the origin of creation, maintenance, and annihilation, and who is always worshipped by self-realized souls. In the planet known as Bharatvarsha, there are many rivers and mountains, as there are in other tracts of land. Yet Bharatvarsha has special significance because in this tract of land, there exists the Vedic principle of Varnashram Dharma, which divides society into 4 varnas and 4 ashrams. Furthermore, Narad Muni's opinion is that even if there is some temporary disturbance in the execution of Varnashram Dharma principles, they can be revived at any moment. The effect of adhering to the institution of Varnashram is gradual elevation to the spiritual platform and liberation from material bondage. By following the principles of Varnashram Dharma, one gets the opportunity to associate with devotees. Such association gradually awakens one's dormant propensity to serve the Supreme Personality of Godhead and frees one from all the basic principles of sinful life. One then gets the opportunity to offer unalloyed devotional service to the Supreme Lord Vasudeva. Because of this opportunity, the inhabitants of Bharatvarsha are praised even in the heavenly planets. Even in the topmost planet of this universe, Brahmalok, the position of Bharatvarsha is discussed with great relish. Om Agyan Timirandasya Gyananjan Chalakaya Chaksharmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Sthapitam Yeda Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahiyam Tadati Swapadantikam. He Krishna Karna Sindhu Dinbandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastite. तप्त कांचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुस्ते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौर भक्तवृंदा. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. नमामि विष्णुपदाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांता स्वामीति नामिने. नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे. My Lord, as the original boar within this universe, you fought and killed the great demon Hiranyaksha. Then you lifted me the earth from the Garbhadaka ocean on the end of your tusk, exactly as the sporting elephant plucks a lotus flower from the water. I bow down before you. And then, of course, the introduction of the description of the characteristics of Jambudviparsha, description of the island of Jambudvip. Okay, we are reading from Srimad Bhagavatam 5th canto, which is called as the Creative Impetus, chapter number 18, which is called as what?
Jambudvipa, prayers of Jambudvipa
Praise
residents.
the Lord by the residents of Jambu.
Prayers by residents of Jambudvipa.
Prayers offered to the Lord by the residents of Jambudvipa. Very nice, thank you. Okay, and this is a prayer offered by who to who?
Bhudevi.
Mother
Mother.
Mother Earth incarnation, Varahadev.
Mother Earth.
Varaha Avatar. Yes. And in what mood is she been offering prayers to Varaha Avatar?
Krishna is the cause of all causes.
Cause of all causes. What are the different evidences or examples given to explain Krishna is the cause of all causes? What did we study yesterday?
The Lord does not desire to create, maintain, or annihilate, but He does so because the conditioned souls we want to enjoy without Krishna.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now Vijay Kumari Mataji, what were you saying? Vijay Kumari Mataji, you were saying something?
Iron and magnet.
I give example for iron. That is I don't know the exact word.
The iron is naturally attracted to the lodestone.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Very nice. What other example? Iron acquires the property of a fire when it is put in the fire. So similarly, what
When
is
God glances at the Mahatattva, there will be movement from that.
Yeah, so the three modes of material nature get agitated by the glance of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, which leads to further creation. But the so-called materialistic scientists or so-called Sankhya philosophers, they start from the middle and they think that the cosmic manifestation is coming from the material nature, but it is actually coming from Krishna. So we cannot see Krishna, but that doesn't mean that it is not coming from Krishna. Okay, and then Krishna, there's one more example. What are we forgetting? There's one more analogy.
Sea waves, Mataji, sea
Dead
waves
matter.
are
Moved by the air. Air is moved by the
Ether.
ether.
Ether
And it
is
is produced by agitation of three modes.
the modes of material nature. Yeah.
The dead matter has no moving power.
Yes. So the matter or has no moving power unless and until Krishna moves it. So, so we have to be fully convinced that Krishna is the person who is moving all the causing all the movements in our life. Okay. Now here she is offering the final prayer because this is very important. I think after every incarnation has been prayed for by the devotees, there is something personal that a devotee offers to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The prayers so far before were very generalized, right? That Krishna, you're great because you do this, you're like this. But here says, I am bowing down to you personally because you saved me. I was drowning under at the bottom of Garbhodaka ocean, but you actually fought and killed the demon called Hiranyaksha, and then you lifted me, you saved me, but it was very easy for you. I am so heavy, but it was very easy for you, as easy as an elephant is plucking a lotus flower. So from the water. So it was so easy for you to just pluck me out from the water and put it on your board, and when a sporting spirit bring me back and put me in my orbit again. So Krishna, what does it inspire us? If we have to apply this prayer in our practical day-to-day life, what does it inspire us? That Krishna is all-powerful. Okay, I'm starting. What else? Krishna is all-powerful, then what else does it? Where do we apply this prayer in our daily life?
Very merciful.
All
Merciful?
our difficulties.
Okay, whatever difficulty, what? Whatever difficulty, what, Mataji? Prema Nandini.
He removes all our difficulties, destroys all our difficulties. He is the Hari.
Yeah, so just by surrendering to him, he actually understands not only what the difficulties, but he actually knows how to get us out of it. Just by our virtue of surrender to him. Okay, so he's powerful, he's merciful, he can remove all obstacles from our life. What else?
He can save his devotee from wherever he's there, and he surrenders himself.
Okay, so surrendered soul is in no danger because Krishna is protecting the surrendered soul. Okay, what else? 4, 5.
Yogakshamam Vahamam.
From this, okay, thank you. So whatever you lack, I provide, and whatever you have, I preserve. Okay, what else?
Yes, Mataji.
From this Matsya
He can
Varaha
come in-
Avatar.
Yeah, he can come in any form, Mataji.
Very nice. He can come in any form, and he knows what form to take at what particular time to save us. Okay, so look out for Krishna's presence in our life because he can come in any form. So now he has come in what form? In Kali Yuga, he has come in what form?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Yes, but day to day, how are we worshipping?
Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Nama Sankirtana.
Hare Nama Sankirtana.
Hare
He has
Krishna
given us.
Mahamantra.
That is the Yajna, Rama Yajna, Nama Yajna.
Yes. So Hare Krishna Mahamantra is nothing, is not separate from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yeah, but we don't look out for God in our life. This is one example, being inattentive to our chanting or being lazy towards chanting. It's like I'm not trying to criticize or say anything. I'm just, even I do that at times. There is like a reflection of how much we actually don't want God in our life, because He has come in the form of His holy name. First, we don't have faith. Second, we don't want Him, even if He's there. That is why we make all excuses not to chant. But in the beginning, okay, one has doubt. But when somebody has come to a certain level, then all these more of ignorance. This is more of ignorance. More of ignorance is what? Knowing what to do, but not doing it anyway. Person knows what to do. That's passion too. Little passion mix too. That I know what I have to do, but I'm not going to do it. Okay, yeah. So in this age, Krishna has come in the form of His holy name. So He has come. He can come in the form of a boar. He can come take any form, right? One devotee said He can take any form to save His devotees. Anywhere. What else is this prayer inciting?
He also sends representatives. Instead of He coming directly, He also sends representatives, like in order to save the Pandavas, He sent Vidura to save them from
Mataji, I'm trying to focus in this prayer. You're absolutely right. But this prayer, what is your take? What is our take?
Relieve our material affection and love and everything. Baudiga material. He removes us from material to spiritual.
Oh, He can spiritualize our life, okay?
Mother Earth is showing her gratitude. Gratitude, Mataji.
Okay. So we learn the sense of gratitude. Thank you, Krishna. Okay, very nice. Thank you. What else?
He's all pervasive, Mataji.
Yes. So yes, He's all pervasive. He can understand which devotee is in trouble and what exactly we need. It's very personal. Like God is very personal. He's not saving two devotees in the same manner ever. Yeah.
He also
Krishna's,
He also cleanses the heart of the conditioned soul in the.
Very nice. So the heart, the
material
conditioned soul, yes, very nice. The conditioned soul, by contacting the Supreme Personality of Godhead or by praying, the Supreme Personality of Godhead gets rid of its contamination and actually gets ready to go back, take off again to Krishna. There is so much hype around the world of what airline is offering the best class service. But actually, Hare Krishna Mahamantra is offering the best class service, because we will take off and go to a very wonderful place if we actually become eligible to fly that plane, to fly in that plane. Yes, and also Krishna, when his devotee is in difficulty, and Krishna relieves the devotee from the difficulty, the attachment of the devotee for the Supreme Lord increases. Right? Because no one was able to rescue me, but Krishna did it like nothing. So when we are in difficulty, we can either become opposed to God and start blaming God, because God is everything. If God is everything, then why the difficulty came in my life at the first place? We can question in that manner. Or we can say that now the difficulty has come by virtue of my own misdeeds, but Krishna, please save me. And then Krishna saves us, and then we actually become more attached to Krishna. That, thank you for saving me, because there was no one else who could have saved me. I have a friend, they are in police, okay? So they saved one time, I'm just giving example, corollary example, that this happens also in our day-to-day living. So this person was leading a battalion of police many years ago, maybe over 20 years ago, because a very prominent businessman was kidnapped. Okay. And one time he was like telling me how they plotted the whole plan to rescue this business owner, and how, they just made the plan and how the police was very intricate in the execution of the plan and how the person was actually freed. This very big business owner in India at the time was freed by this team of police, which was led by my friend who is in the police. So till date, that person, the businessman, had a business of making masala. Okay? So till date, that businessman is supplying my friend lifetime masala because of gratitude. So like that, when we become that, when he was telling me that, I thought that, oh my God, like when Krishna saves us, and we really feel it in the core of our heart that actually Krishna has really saved me, and it's not that anyone else could have saved me, but it is Krishna, only Krishna who has saved me. It was not, God has not caused me the difficulty. Actually, God has rescued me out of the difficulty. Then we actually become attached to Krishna for the rest of our life. By giving this masala and this friend of mine example, I'm trying to say that life is over 2 decades have passed for this event, but he's still giving lifetime masala to him. The businessman is giving. I saw it. I went to their house. I'm not kidding. I saw. I said, why so many masale? Then he told me the story. So like that, if are we showing gratitude to the Supreme Personality of Godhead by how do we show gratitude to Krishna, by the way? If we have to show gratitude to Supreme Personality of Godhead.
By doing devotional service.
Devotional service.
Like what? Like what?
By giving our respect to each and everything what Krishna has created and given us. By being happy and showing our love and devotion towards his bhakti.
Yeah, we're talking very principle-based language. I want detail, like by what are you going to show gratitude to Supreme Personality of Godhead at your personal level? How are you going to show? You check the message. Huh?
Make prasadam every day.
Make prasadam. Mane bhoga. When we are cooking, it's called bhoga. When it's offered, it's called prasadam. You mean bhoga? Cooking bhoga? Yeah? Yes, Mataji, is that what you said? By feeding Krishna every day?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, Anjali Mataji will do that. Who else will do what?
Temple
By
service.
spreading what he is to everybody and just spread that feel of Krishna consciousness and how nice you feel when you're devoted to Krishna and what small miracles in day-to-day life he performs so that people get enlightened and
No, Mataji, no,
try
I'm
to come
asking
into
personal level. How are you going to show gratitude to the Supreme
Temple
Personality of
service.
Godhead
Temple
every day?
service.
By doing
Every day.
Making others
Okay,
also
can we
Krishna
raise
conscious.
hand because we are speaking over each other for obvious reasons because we are sitting online and no cameras are on.
Because this is what I do, Mataji. I every day tell people around me today what happened and how I feel so nice about his help. I mean, that's my experience, Mataji.
All right, thank you. Okay, so Ramya Mataji, yes, Ramya Madhavi Mataji. How will you do it?
Hare Krishna Mataji. So bringing more and more people towards Krishna consciousness.
That's
So
the
that
best
he's
service. Yeah.
yeah.
Every day. You have to do it every day then.
Yeah. Every
Okay.
day trying to
Thank
preach.
you.
Hare Krishna.
Prakash Rao Prabhu, yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. What are you doing every day?
Every day I'm telling the temple service. Whenever I go, I do some service there. Like cleaning and ironing of Prabhupada
Very
dresses,
nice.
like that. Whatever small things Namnishta Prabhuji gives me, I do it.
Very nice. Thank you. Anjali Mataji, I think you said no, you're cooking for Krishna. Anything else?
Yeah, every day Abhishekam to Krishna, dressing to Krishna. I've got a
Deep.
beautiful
Yes.
Krishna idol. And then reading Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam, at least
Very
for some
nice.
time in a day, every day.
Very nice. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Madhumati Vlasni Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, trying to fulfill Krishna's personal requirement like making prasadam, giving bath and alankar, Mataji, praising him, gratitude. So day-to-day like activities, Mataji, like how we follow.
More like a parent. Okay, very
Yes,
nice. Thank
Tara,
you.
yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Usha Devati Mataji, Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, what are you going to do every day for the rest of your life to show your gratitude. You're muted.
Meditating on his form.
Meditation is not recommended for Kali Yuga. To meditate on him, we have to do some active service with our
Okay,
senses.
serving others with a selfless attitude.
How? What service are you doing every day of your life? Give example. No, we are trying to inspire each other.
Yeah, like not able to say it specifically. And then showing my gratitude, sincere gratitude towards Lord, because each and every act of mine, he helps me a lot. If I am in trouble, like if I forget something, he helps me in reminding it. That I am very much sure, because if I pray to him sincerely, he helps me a lot. So this is how I show my gratitude. I tell him thanks.
Okay, thank you.
I show my gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you. Prema Nandani Madhavi Mataji. Yes, Mataji, what are you doing every day?
Mataji. Actually, from morning, after worshipping, I offer flowers every day. Then sometime in front of the Lord, I offer the prayers by reading Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita in the temple, only in my temple. And I offer flowers, then offer the bhoga. And every day for some time, I speak to my daughter-in-law and my grandson about his pastimes, Mataji. Every day some pastimes, I will speak to me, glorifying the Lord.
Very nice. Thank you.
Hare
Thank you,
Krishna,
Mataji. Madhumaya Krishna Kanta Mataji. Yes, Mataji, what are you doing every day?
Hare Krishna Mataji, I get up very early in the morning, 2:30 to 45, and take a bath and start japa. And then I do the Mangalarati and attend every day Mangalarati in the temple, along with that puja in my house also. And then I take every day Bhakti Vriksha reading Bhagavatam class for my group. I am a Bhakti Vriksha in my Kannada group. So then attend every day Prabhuji's classes, our classes. And then at afternoon 3 to 4:30, again another small group of devotees is there. We are doing for the past 4 years reading Srimad Bhagavatam every day. Srimad Bhagavatam, that is Prabhupada's this thing, and we have reached up to now 10th canto. Every day reading and discussing at our level, because we are all devotees, we don't have anybody teaching. Earlier we had Shisha Prabhuji, but he was sick, so we took over to continue. And in the calm also night time, whatever teaching program they give to me, I do from 9 to 10 or 8 to 9, whatever slot they give me. Sometimes they give us teaching like Bhagavad Gita 18, or sometimes level 2, sometimes level 3, and Bhakti Shastri teaching program when they give
Very
me.
nice. Mataji, you are power bank of services. Hare Krishna. Hey, thank you. Shakti Mataji. Yes, Mataji, what are you doing every day?
Hare Krishna Mataji. Although I don't do many things, but yes, I try to show my gratitude to the Lord. Like I have a students, I'm teaching to management students. So whenever I meet, if some students reach to me by seeing my status or something, I always try to speak what Prabhupada has told us, 1 or 2 things. This is what I made my means, because I am not able to give too much of services, doing chanting, giving snana to Krishna, offering flowers to him. And I try to remember all the acharyas who gave me the message of Lord Krishna almost after every round of chanting I do. I at least try to make 2 or 3 of the people I met give the message of Lord Krishna, so that they should also understand what I have got by means of giving the services to him. I try that my children, not only students, my kids also remember and do kirtana every day. So we have a kirtan at our home every day. Hare Krishna.
So nice. Thank you. Very nice. Chitra Mohini Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji. So we do all these things as a duty only, Mataji. I feel what is duty, what is gratitude? I'm confused now. All these things we do. Okay.
The consciousness that matters. You know, it is the consciousness that matters.
Okay, Mataji, I couldn't
For
Thank you.
example, if you hire a nanny to take care of a child, the nanny will do exactly the same thing as a mother would do. She'll cook, she'll get the kid ready for school, right? She'll put the kid on the school bus or whatever mode of transportation. She'll clean up the kid when they come back. She'll give food. And then the mother is doing it. Whose consciousness is more powerful?
Grandma only. She's conscious about
Nanny or nanny or mother? I'm talking about nanny or mother. Nanny is like caretaker, hired caretaker lady.
Yes. She is the caretaker.
No,
Mother
I'm
may
asking.
Mother, Mataji.
No, let her how Chitramohini Mataji, please speak.
Mother is cautious about it, but still the doing duty is Nanima only. I'm not finding the difference.
Yeah,
Mataji.
no, yeah, I'll say my question again. Okay, there's a child, a baby in the house. Okay, so Chitramohini Mataji, I'm talking to you. So
Yes,
there's a
yes.
baby in the house, and then there's a caretaker person who's been hired to take care of the child, who gets money, who gets paid to take care of the child. Okay, that person is doing almost the same thing as the mother of the child will do.
Okay.
Right? The mother of the child will also get the child ready, will also get the kid, feed the child, or make sure that the child is going to school on time, coming back, right? And then the caretaker who's been paid, who's doing it out of the duty, is also doing the same thing, right or wrong?
Yes, yes, yes.
But whose consciousness is more powerful? Who's more nurturing?
Mother. Because she's
Why?
doing, yes.
Why mother? Why not the lady who's doing it, who's getting paid?
She's doing her duty for the payment.
She's doing it out of the sense of duty, not out of the sense of gratitude.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, so if what I'm trying to discuss over here is if we approach our activities in Krishna consciousness, whatever they may be, every day, with a sense of gratitude, it will have more impact. That's what Mother Earth is doing here, right? She's saying that, Krishna, you saved me. I was drowning at the bottom of the Garbhadaka ocean. You came in the form of the most beautiful Varadev, fought and killed with Hiranyaksha, put me on your tusk, brought me out effortlessly as an elephant is plucking a lotus flower from the water. Effortless. She's so filled with gratitude. She's glorifying Krishna and she's outpouring her gratitude. She's not just saying, okay, thank you so much. I'll go my way. Now you can go your way. You're God. You might have to go back to Vaikuntha or Goloka Vrindavan. I'm Earth. I have to go back to my orbit. She's not saying that, right? She's taking her time to glorify. She's taking her time to, so many prayers she said what we read before. So what I'm trying to tell the zest here, my intention is approaching our chanting, approaching our daily services in the service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, can we put a tinge of gratitude in it? Thank you, Krishna, that I'm able to do it. Thank you. It's not that, okay, I have a human form of life. I'm supposed to, chant 16 rounds. I'm supposed to do deity worship. I'm supposed to offer flowers. I'm supposed to cook. No, it says, thank you that I have it. It's important. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone, or is it not clear?
Yes, Mataji. I got
Yes,
it, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so it's a very simple thing. It's a very simple thing. You don't have to be like a PhD scholar or whatever to understand, but you have to be a devotee to understand this. It's simple for the simple. It's difficult for the difficult. Because Krishna is simple. I have learned one thing from Prabhupada. If it is not simple, it is not Krishna conscious. Krishna consciousness is simple. Material life is difficult. I'm not saying it is easy, but it is simple. I think we stop here and we go to Damodar Leela. Any questions, reflections, realizations, or corrections? Or complaints? Decorate Krishna. No questions.